what is a git clone? Clone the repository first time from the remote to the local machine. So what is that? So history. Yeah. So how we can git clone? So the command is git clone. So the repository URL. So what is the repository URL? github.com. Yeah. So what is the repository? The repository is git ds git file. So how to clone? Go to click here and HTTPS. Just copy it and use git clone. It will automatically clone the repository. Has understood what is git clone?
Yes, it will
Right.
come to our local repository, correct?
It will come to our local directory. So how it git clone? Something like cd dot. It will show the file is there. Or else mkdir new repository. cd new repository. Okay. Git clone. What is that? URL.
URL,
That
yes.
repository URL. So we copied here, right? So this go to here and click here, copy the URL. Then paste it here. So for the first time, what we need to do?
Clone.
So for the first time, what is the command?
Git clone. Git clone.
Git clone command. Understood? So I'm cloning the repository. Right? It is cloned and ls, yes, ds git file repository is created. Right? If you click it, so yeah, this is the local repository. How you do know it is a local repository? Yeah, dot git file is there. If it is a dot git folder, so then it is the local repository. Otherwise, it is showing as a normal directory.
Okay, okay.
Understood?
Got it.
So what is git pull? So for example,
Yeah.
so this is i.txt. Yeah, whatever the name asked, right? They wish.
Oh,
So how we can add the file into the remote repository? Directly, you can add the file into the remote repository also. Create a new file. Click the create a new file. In which branch you are creating the file? That is also you can check it. In the which branch? Main branch.
main branch.
Okay,
Okay.
main branch only. So I'm adding a file here also, right? Just what is that? XYZ dot txt. What this is? This is a new file. Okay, here also you need to commit the changes. Commit means so it will add. So add the add it and committing. So untrack to track also. Untrack to track staging and so add file is nothing but it will add it to the staging area. Then it will move it to commit it to the remote repository. Now, in your remote repository, main branch having the abc txt and xyz.txt. But in our local repository, in which branch you are? Git branch. What is that? So you can use a git branch command. So you are in the which branch? So you see when you click the git branch, it will show the green and star. You are in the which branch? Main branch,
Main
and it will
branch.
show here also. Okay. What is the command? Git branch. Where you are, in which branch you are. You know you are in that this repository. Okay. But where you are, in which branch you are, you can use the git branch command. Okay.
So it
I
will
will
be
show you.
always main only, or some other branch will come, right?
Will come. For
Okay.
example, git. I will tell you one by one.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Git branch. Now your code is in the git branch. Okay. But let's see ls. So what is there?
abc.txt file.
abc.txt
Other,
file is
other
there.
one didn't come here, correct? Yes.
Yes, some other guy is pushed to this remote repository. You are thinking like that. Okay.
Hmm, 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 hmm,
Now
hmm.
you want to get this code.
XYZ.
I want to XYZ also. So what is that? So I want to download the code. I want to download the code and I want to sync up with the remote repository. So in our local repository having only abc.txt, but the remote repository having abc.txt
And
and
XYZ.
xyz dot text. So for example, this guy pushed that xyz text. Okay, this guy pushed that to xyz text in the remote repository. So now you want to sync. Now you want to sync with the remote repository, or I want to get the whatever new updates, right? I want to get the new updates from the remote repository, or I want to sync up with the remote repository. What is that? So for that time, you can use the git pull command.
Git pull. Okay.
Okay, what is the command?
Git pull.
Here we have two commands. What is this? Git pull and git fetch. Okay,
Hmm.
what are those?
Git
Git
pull and
git
git
fetch.
fetch. Okay. Okay.
So now you understood, right? Push. It will push all the local changes that you made into the remote GitHub repository. Now you understood?
Hmm. Hmm.
Git push. Yesterday we pushed that code to the remote repository, ABC did. I
Yes.
will tell
Yes.
you again, no worries. Git pull. What is the pull? It will pull all the updated code from remote branch to the merge with your local branch. Okay. What this is, here we have two commands: git fetch and git pull. What are the commands?
Git pull
Git
and
fetch
git
and
git pull.
uh, the commands is git pull, git fetch,
Okay.
git fetch. So both the fetches and merges changes from the remote repository to a local repository. What
So
is
both
git pull do?
both will work as the same only. Correct.
Same only, but there is a difference. What is that difference? I will tell you.
Hmm.
And merging happens automatically. We do not have to write any code to merge, right?
Yes, I will tell you. Fetch. Okay. Git fetch. So what is git pull? Git pull is nothing but a git fetch plus git merge is nothing but a git pull. Okay. What is fetch? I will tell you. The difference I will tell you. Git fetch plus git merge is nothing but a git pull. What it first it will fetch the code and it will merge it to the main branch. Okay, first it will fetch the code and merge it to the main branch. Okay,
Yes.
yeah. So fetches and merges changes from the remote repository to local repository. You can use the git pull command. Okay, so git pull, git fetch plus git merge. Okay, so I will show you the difference between git fetch and git pull. FETCH. Okay, git fetch. You see, so git fetch remote. So four done no continuing objects, and so we have a one. It will you see from origin main to local main. We are getting one
Hari, what
file.
what and all these things? This lot of informations are there, right?
Informations are no need to worry about it. So it's
Okay.
information what are it's used. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So, okay. So git ls. If you use the git fetch, still it is
File is
not.
came here,
Now you understood that? So
uh,
file is not.
reached here. Correct. Yeah.
Yes. Yes. If you use the git pull command, yeah, see. So here git pull updating the base fast forward xyz.txt. One file is changed, one file is instruction. So this is merged. What is that? Git merge to main.
One doubt I have, Hari. Already, abc.txt is the, that also will come with this pull, or only XYZ will come with this pull?
Very good question. Whatever the updated files, whatever the
Hmm.
updated files, it will come. For example, it will verify ABC TXT already there. Only it will download the xyz.txt. Here, see, you see here. Only it is showing the xyz.txt.
Okay. 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 Hmm.
Understood? For example, ls rm-rf abc.txt xyz.txt ls. So nothing is there. Git pull. already up to date. Why? So this Git doesn't know you remove the changes. Remove the changes. If you run the Git pull, right, it will check. Yeah, we already downloaded and merge that files. We already downloaded and merge that files. Understood?
But it is not available, right?
It is not available. But what it's showing, it fetches and it downloading.
Okay.
So before we already downloaded the file, right?
Hmm.
Before we already downloaded the files, Git knows that abc.txt and xyz.txt are there in the this repository,
Local repository. Okay.
local repository. But we deleted in the working directory.
Okay. Okay. If I
Understood?
want, if I want again, then
Yeah, you need to use that abc. We need to create it manually.
okay. Okay.
But
Okay.
in your here, but in the remote repository,
Hmm.
uh, if something is if you want, if you match the file, I will tell you, will understand.
Hmm. 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 No,
Yeah.
no. What my question is, we
Mm.
deleted these two. Suppose I want that two files again. Okay,
Again,
to
what
my
you can do, yeah, good question, good question. So what you can do, cd dot dot, okay, so now you are in the git file, rm my rf ds git file, okay, it's removed entire thing. What you can do freshly,
you okay, you clone again, clone, huh?
again, because of this
Uh,
is local, right? Nothing worry about. So you are not deleted in the remote repository. You can delete number of times and you can clone number of times.
okay, 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 okay.
Git clone
That URL.
URL. Understood? Now let's check cd ds git file. Now it's a repository, local repository. Now you check it, abc.txt, xyz.txt is there.
Okay, okay, okay. So,
Understood? Now you check git pull already up to date. Means your remote repository and local repository with the same files. Nothing, nothing changed.
changed. Okay, okay.
Nothing changed. Understood?
Got it. Yeah.
Yeah. So, and git full origin main. So, what this origin or git push origin main. So, git pull origin in the sense remote. So, what is this? This is the main. Origin means remote. From the remote repository main, you are pulling to the local main. Understood?
Come again, Hari.
Yes.
I didn't get.
So, git push origin main. Git pull origin main. So origin points to a remote server. What is that? Origin points to a remote server. So if you are not adding here, okay. So git push main, git push. So git push, it will automatically go to the origin. But if you are specifically specifying want to send it to a git push origin, origin is nothing but a remote. Origin is nothing but a remote. So for example, you want to send to future 123. So you can specify I want to send the I want to push the code origin. Origin is nothing but a remote future 123. Understood?
What is this feature 1, 2, 3?
A branch, git branch,
Uh-huh.
hyphen E. You see, so these two are the local branches, these two are the remote branches. Understood? The remote comes under origin. Origin points to refer the remote location.
Okay.
Okay? Yes.
So this
Yeah.
first one main branch is local one, and the other two are remote one.
This is the local one.
Uh,
This is the remote one.
Okay, okay. Uh-huh.
Understood?
Understood, understood. Yes.
Yeah. Git push. What is a git push?
It will push to staging, right?
It will push to git push command.
Git push.
So here, so
Uh,
everything is done. My local,
okay, okay.
everything is
Then
complete.
yes, yes. It will push to remote.
Remote. Ah. So what is this? Pushes the committed changes to the remote repository.
Remote repository. Yes, yes, yes.
Remote repository. So how you can push that code to remote repository? First, let's check the git status. What is the git status command?
It will share the start.
So in simple term, it will show you exactly which files folders
Okay.
have been modified.
Modified,
Okay,
updated files.
updated.
Okay,
Hmm.
okay.
So what I want to do, I want to create a file in our working directory.
Mm,
Okay, so I'm
mm,
creating a file called as a. So we have already abc.txt, xyz.txt, right? So I'm adding another files into this directory.
mm.
Okay, okay. So how you can add? So for example, I am using touch abc.txt. ABC is there, right? pqr.txt.
So we have to learn
m
some Linux command also, right? For this one,
these are the Linux commands. I
mm.
already told you, right? Who developed the Git?
Linux Torvalds.
Uh,
Yes.
Linus was developed by the Linus Torvald, and he
Uh,
developed as a Git CLI.
okay, okay, okay.
Git CLI. So that's the reason we are using Git Bash. Bash is nothing but a born again shell. Linux commands will work on the Bash shell. This is the shell. Okay,
Mm,
black screen. This black screen is nothing but a shell.
mm.
Understood? So if
Yes.
you want, I will show you. Echo is the print statement. Echo dollar shell. Which shell this is? Bash shell.
Bash shell.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So touch is nothing but a what is touch command? Touch command will create the file without data.
Okay.
Touch command will create the file without data. I'm creating touch pqr.txt and mnp.txt.
Two
Okay.
five.
These
Okay.
two files are I'm creating in the working directory. Okay. So now
Mm.
these files are in where? These
Uh,
files are in the your
working
working
directory.
directory.
Working directory. Yeah.
Understood? Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
let's check these file. What is the status of these files?
Git status.
Yes, very good. Clear. You see, git status on branch main. What is this branch? On this branch main, you see untracked file.
Mm.
Git is Git is saying these are the untracked files. Git doesn't know these files. Okay.
One question I have. Suppose
Mm,
if other
mm,
person also execute this command, suppose two
mm.
I and Darvesh is working. Okay. Uh,
Which command?
this git status, he won't see, right, these things. It is in my
He won't see because of
it is
he
in my local.
modified the code in their local only, not in
Uh,
the remote.
okay, okay, got it. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Understood?
Got it, got it.
Yes, right? So this
Yes.
is the untracked file. This is local. This is local only. This is his laptop, or for example, your laptop.
Got it, got it.
Okay?
Mm.
Yeah. So you want to send this, you want to that Linux local repository, sorry, that Git local repository wants to know these files. How we can know? We need to send it to untracked to track.
Track.
Untracked to tracked is nothing but a
Git add.
staging area. Git
Git
add, you
add.
can use the Git add. So
Uh,
for example, so if you have